Hey everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a super useful skill, how to upload a PDF file in Mailchimp. So whether you want to send a downloadable guide to your subscribers, share a printable coupon, or just make a professional-looking newsletter, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get your PDF into Mailchimp and make it easily accessible for your audience. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and log into your Mailchimp account. If you're already logged in, perfect, you're one step ahead. Otherwise, just head to Mailchimp.com and enter your credentials. Once you're in, we need to start by locating the Content section. This is where all your images, files, and other assets live in Mailchimp. On the left sidebar, you'll see the Content tab, sometimes called Content Studio, depending on the version you're using. Click on that and you'll be taken straight to your storage space within Mailchimp. Now it's time to upload your PDF. In the Content Studio, look around for an Upload button, usually at the top right. It might look like a little arrow pointing up. Give it a click. Your computer's file browser will pop up, letting you navigate to the PDF you want to upload. Select your file. Don't worry if it takes a few moments, especially if your PDF has high-res images or lots of pages. After a brief upload, you'll see your brand new PDF file added to the content library. If you see it there, congrats, you've already completed a major step. This is the digital equivalent of putting your document on a shelf so you can grab it whenever you need it in your Mailchimp campaigns. Once your PDF is uploaded, you'll want to add it to your email or landing page design, making sure your subscribers can access it easily. Here, how you do that. When you click on your freshly uploaded PDF in the Content Studio, a panel will appear on the right with details about the file. One of those details is the file's URL, basically, a special web address where your PDF now lives. All you have to do is copy that link. Think of this like copying the address of a friend's house. You'll use it to let others know exactly where to go. With that URL copied, head over to your email campaign or landing page design in Mailchimp. Find the spot where you want subscribers to access your PDF. This could be a button saying "Download Now," a hyperlink bit of text, or even an image. Paste the URL you copied into the link field for that element. This way, when someone clicks, they'll be taken straight to the PDF you uploaded, ready to view, download, or print. And that's literally all there is to it. Just upload your PDF, grab the link, and insert it where you want. It's quick, it's straightforward, and it opens up a ton of creative options for your Mailchimp campaigns. And hey, if you hit a snag or have a question, don't hesitate to drop it in the comments below. I'm here to help you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.